Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 8. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Rampant corruption destroys the moral fabric of the nation and hurt our pride. Stop. Besides, the policies of subsidies, reservation and pro-labor attitude have made justice and fairness their first victims, eroding our faith not just in the system but in the nation. Stop. Subsidies have taken the country to near bankruptcy. Stop. The reservation policy has made merit so secondary that you find citizens actually paying money to get a certificate stating that one belongs to a particular group or community that qualifies for preference and priority over merit. Stop. The parallel economy of black money has become a part of our total economy. Stop. There is a high degree of underemployment. Stop. Millions are working in jobs well below their qualifications, training and expertise, killing initiative. Stop. We have lost the old values and have not found new ones. Stop. In the hot pursuit of wants, money has become the operative word. Stop. The family as a unit is fast disappearing. Stop. It is not limited to me and my children. Stop. The reason for our undoing is that we have failed to check our population growth. Stop.